In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Payroll Australia. We'll start with the initial setup so your payroll is compliant and smooth from day one. In Xero, head to Payroll, then Payroll Settings, and confirm your organization details are correct, including your ABN and the bank account you'll use to pay wages. Next, set up your pay calendars to match how often you pay staff, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, making sure the period end dates and payment dates align with your business routine. While you're there, add your pay items. Include your earnings types, any deductions, leave categories, and the accounts you want superannuation expenses to post to. Clear names for pay items make reviewing pay runs much faster later. Now set up your superannuation. In the Superannuation tab, add each employee's chosen fund. For APRA-regulated funds, enter the USI or ABN. If an employee has a self-managed super fund, include the electronic service address details. To streamline payments and stay SuperStream compliant, register for Auto Super in Xero so you can pay super in bulk digitally. Double-check fund details carefully. Small typos can cause contributions to bounce. Add your employees by entering their personal details, tax file numbers, bank accounts, and leave entitlements. Assign each person to the correct pay calendar and super fund. Create a pay template for every employee, so regular earnings, deductions, and super calculations populate automatically in each pay run. This reduces manual entry and errors. Connect to the ATO via Single Touch Payroll. Go to Payroll, then Single Touch Payroll, and follow the prompts to opt in. You'll need to provide the ATO with your software ID from Xero through their required channel so Xero can report on your behalf. Complete this authorization before your first live pay run. For each pay period, create a pay run from Payroll, then Pay Employees, and choose Add Pay Run. Select the correct pay period and payment date, then continue. In the draft, review each employee's hours, leave, and entitlements. Click into an employee to make adjustments or add one-off items like bonuses or reimbursements. Ensure all leave requests and timesheets are approved before you proceed. When everything looks right, post the pay run to finalize and record it in your accounts. Xero will then prompt you to file the pay run with the ATO via STP. This filing is mandatory every pay period. Wait for the status to show as accepted. To pay employees, download the ABA file from the posted pay run and upload it to your online banking to pay in one batch. After payment, email payslips directly from Xero. Employees can also view payslips and submit leave via the Xero Me mobile app. Finally, pay superannuation by going to Payroll, then Superannuation, creating a payment batch for the period and submitting it for approval. Xero's clearinghouse will debit your nominated bank account and distribute the funds to the correct super funds. Allow a few business days for processing, so contributions land on time.